Now today, let's talk billions of naira. This mansion here worth billions of naira. Now let me take you through. It's plenty. This luxurious contemporary mansions comes with 8 bedroom and 5 living rooms, 2 Ensuite BQ with kitchen, Cctv surveillance within and outside the premises, automatic sliding gates, parking space for as many as 11 to 12 cars. Come, let me show you more. Now, let's go in. Look at this bulletproof door. We have it on all major exits of this mansion. Stop playing. Now, on this floor, we have 3 good living rooms. First, second, and the third one, you have like a library section where you can study. And also, by this side, you have a mini golf where you can enjoy yourself and your babe. This luxurious mansion has an elevator that can occupy up to 8 people. Unlike other houses, they take just 4 people, but this can occupy 8 people. It's plenty. Stop playing. Now to the kitchen. Oh, bro, I will not be poor. Look at, stop playing. Who pour drink? Sorry. That luxury. Bro, this kitchen is way too luxurious. Come on, stop playing. A microwave here, oven, refrigerator, a dishwasher. That is if you don't want to wash plates. Yeah? Stop playing. Bro, I will not be poor. Come, let me show you the master bedroom. Oh my God, bro. This is massive. Look at what the master bedroom look like. Yay. Yay. Now to the wardrobe section. What are you saying? Look at, bro. I will never be poor. Look at here. You have your Richard Mille, your Patek, your Adoma Piguet, your AP. Just put it here. It's gone. And it is 100% safe. Come and see what a restroom look like. What happened? This is massive. Guy, this is massive. I will never be poor. Bro, I will never be poor. Yeah. Luxury shit. Guy, even the light switch, you don't need to just tap and the lights come on. Bro, I will never be poor. I will never be poor. I know what I'm saying, bro. When you buy this house, guess what? You go pop Azu. Stop playing. Guy, guess what? This is huge. Come with me. This mansion has a cinema. Stop playing. How many houses get cinema? Tell me. This house has a cinema. Bro, I will never be poor. It's plenty. Hey, stop playing, bro. So this is the backyard of this luxurious mansion. It has a jacuzzi for babies, swimming pool for the adults, and at this backyard, do you know you can throw a party? Look at there. We have a mini bar. Look at. It has a mini gym with a wonderful view. Look at. This mansion is in the heart of Abuja, Asokoro. The most beautiful thing is that you can see everywhere. Look at Aso Rock. Stop playing. You can enjoy a nice view from this penthouse. Stop playing. I will never be poor. Billions worth of mansion. It's plenty. Stop playing. I can't talk about this house finish because it's too big and has small money, small billions. So guys, check caption for more details. Just check caption. Everything you need to know is there. It's plenty.